welcome back to Sakura's Wonderland. Today what we are going to do is make banana unana cake. So I'm super duper excited to make this banana unana cake. So let's get started. So I'm gonna tell the ingredients. So first here we have some banana unana that we are going to mash it first. And I'm going to tell you the ingredients. Here we have baking soda, baking powder and cinnamon. This is mixture. And here we have some vegetable oil, any vegetable oil guys. And here we have some curd. Here we have 2 cups and these two are same. So here we have a famous bowl, like it is famous at cooking. So here we have to sieve it, the dry ingredients. We're going to mash the bananas and keep it to the side. So let's get started. So first here we have to mash the bananas first. Banana unana. Don't forget to tell that banana unana. Oh. And which we don't like to eat it in summer and winter. So here I preheat the oven. And so guys, here I mash the banana unanas. Okay, so let's keep it in the side and take the famous bowl. Here I have first, let's sieve the dry ingredients. Mixture. Let's put it first. We have to mix it first nicely so that it be more tasty. Okay, let's put it down. That's it. It's in the middle because it is the queen or king. So next is this, the meat flour. The bunch of king is going to go in. Next one. Ouch, that hurts. It is like a mountain or a Mount Everest. So now we are going to sieve it. Here I'm going to get a spoon so that I can do it faster. I finish sieving it. Now we are going to put it in a side. Take the beater. Okay. So now let's put the wet ingredients. So first here I have some curd. Whoa. To take the extra curd out. Keep it over there. And next is some olive oil. Again the spoon. Wow, today the spoon's coming in really help. It is a helpful spoon. So now we are going to beat it up. It was like a song, then I'm going to put some more. Wow, it's really heavy. It's like a workout doing that. Okay, that's it for now. Now let's beat it. Beat it again. It will be a song. Na 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 na. Okay. Put it in. Now we have to beat it again. Whoa! Okay, now let's put some more. Now let's put the full. Whoa, whoa. Come on. It's like jumping in a pool. The banana is jumping in a pool. All the ingredients are done. So now let's mix. Guys, I never did this job before, so we're going to take some of this. And guys, the most funny thing is that it came in my nose. Okay, let's wipe this mess up too. Okay, so now we are going to put the magical thing in. Okay, let's take the beater out of the way. Ouch! It's like a workout, guys. I told you. Okay, first let's take from the helpful spoon. So guys, here I took a bigger spoon because see guys, this gives a lot of mixture. Let's do it like this so that it doesn't flow. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Now let's beaty booty. I'm going to take this over there. Okay, that's better. Okay, now. Amazing! Let it go! I can't hold back anymore. Let it go! Guys, let's put the mixture in one go. For now, we are going to take the beater here so that it doesn't fall. Come on, go in the mixture. That's funny. Okay. Now let's beat it again. Beaty. The batter is really become thick. So here I have milk. Let's put it in. Hope it works. I'll show you guys. Look at it. It is no more thick. So now let's place it in this the tin. It's a little heavy, guys, but it's okay. I'll manage. I just put it into the tin. Now let's just beat it one more time. How? You just see it. Woo, 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 woo. Just tap it. Just do it. In the oven for 30 minutes. So, see you later, guys. Bye for now. The banana cake is ready. So now, let's check. You wanna have a look, guys? You wanna have a look? Yeah. And look at that. And this smell it up. Smell. So now we are going to do the toothpick test. So yeah, once we put the toothpick in the cake, banana unna cake, yeah, guys. So yeah, once we put the toothpick in the cake like this, poke it up like this. So and if it is when you take it out of the cake, then if it is the toothpick is clear, that means it is all done. If it is all coming in the toothpick, that means it is not done. We have to put it back in the oven for. Let's see, open please. I'm gonna close my eyes and do. Yay! So guys, I'm going to. So let it be cooled down. So when it is cooled down, I'm gonna show you the way how I eat it. So let's keep it for some time. It's so hotty. I'm gonna wear my glovesy, Subway. Ready with my love slices. So guys, so I told you before only that how we are going to eat it with. Surprise! Mitala ilala. So here our butter knife, cut good. This doesn't really cut our hand because this is a butter knifey. Let's take the metal. Let's take it. Spread the Nutella over it. Let's get this much, guys, this much. So guys, what we have to do is take it over here. Wow. So that for this slice, it is enough. Now let's go to the second one. Surprise you guys with Nutella. It is fun doing it. Last peasy touch up. It is a touch up of the amazing banana una cake. And rest of it, I'm gonna eat it. Here is my Nutella slice. Now let's eat it and see. Yum, yum, love, amazing, wow. And this is for my subscribers. So guys, I'm gonna end the video right over here and see you. Please like, share, subscribe and comment down below if you like this video. Bye for now.